Hello guys, now you're looking at Bosch 8 kg washing machine. So now I'll just show you the cycle which I'm washing now. So now I have set my washing program to jeans and dark because I have put up a very thick kind of bed covers and some kind of towels and divan sets which are very thick. So that's the reason I have set the program to jeans slash dark wash. And here the first option what you see, temperature in degrees Celsius, has set to 0. So it will not display your 0, it will always show you in the symbol of flower. And then the first symbol you can see here, it is the indication that door is locked. And the tap symbol, at my home the water pressure is a little low, that's the reason you can see the tap symbol. And down you can see the RPM, which means it shows how much fast the spinning cycle takes. And then you can see the clock symbol, it means I have touched on that speed button, so it shows me the speed, that is clock symbol. It means that it will just wash your clothes 15 minutes faster than an usual one. And then I have selected a water plus. You can see a small dash which indicates, so the light is glowing. It means I wanted to wash the water, I wanted to wash the clothes with more water. That's the reason I have touched it. So that's the reason it shows indication. So if you doesn't want more water to be used, you click on that this symbol water plus and the indication goes. And down you can see the status called small tray or kind of bucket. It means that it is showing that I'm in a wash cycle. So when it spins, this symbol goes and you can see a spiral symbol. It means it is rinsing. And here you can see power supply. So now you can see actually here we have 5 dashes. So the number of dashes indicates that much of power is consumed. So as of now it shows only 4 dashes, that is 4 dash are indicating. It means 4 times the power is indicating, and also that much power is consumed. So now it started to rotate. I'll just show you for a few seconds how it works. The voice level is very low during the wash cycle. A little bit of voice you can hear only during the spin cycle. I have made a hole here from bathroom for water hose pipe and drain connection, and this is a filter system which I got in the machine itself. And I brought this tab, and to connect this water filter and with the tab I just brought small bolt which has 2 sides thread, and I fixed it with the Teflon tape. And here I forgot to say you, here it clearly shows till how much time it should be taken. So it is showing me 28 minutes. So by 28 minutes the wash cycle will be completed. This is a 8 kg 1200 RPM Bosch washing machine. Actually there was a filter inside that here. I have just removed it because I have a water tank just above this room, so the water pressure is too low. So I just wanted to test if the wash cycle is good without this filter, but not an issue. Even if you remove this one, there's one more kind of filter in this place, so it's not an issue. You can see it is spinning. It is spinning and simultaneously all the water is coming outside. And to buy this washing machine, I almost did a 3 months of research. I mean to say, I was just checking all the online shopping sites and all the reviews. So, and I preferred this one, a liquid detergent from the Godrej. I just came to know this is the best and low cost one. I recommend this also. And when we use this one, I think there is no need for using comfort, but if you want, you can use comfort also. So see how fast it is rotating. See, here it is collecting water now. This is a place water comes. It will collect all the water, it will intake all the water, and it will start rotating again slowly.